Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tony Payne, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat in a week, but only dinner and only 3 days. So yeah, and I guess I just wanted to show these meals in particular because it's something totally different from what I usually eat. I'm not vegan at all, but I'm trying to incorporate more vegan meals into my diet just because I'm a lactose intolerant. The meat really just doesn't digest in my body well. It's probably better for me to do this, and because I'm a soccer player and I should eat healthy. Yeah, so yeah, I did this video. It's just for fun, and also it's just helping me to keep track of what I'm eating. It's helping me to be more experimental, and yeah, so that's why I'm doing this. On Monday, I made a vegan tikka masala, and I made it with apples and garbanzo beans. It was super easy to make, and yeah, it actually turned out really well. I got this recipe from Pinterest, and for Tuesday I made a, what did I make? Oh, I made a falafel bowl. I got a little falafel pack from the local grocery store that's here in Seville, and I also added it with spinach and sweet potato and hummus. I made hummus from scratch out of just chickpeas, and I didn't use tahini actually because tahini is like very difficult to find in the grocery stores near my house, so I didn't do that. It was super simple recipe, super easy. I made it in my blender bottle. For the last day, which I believe was Thursday, I just finished that with the simple tomato soup, and I added couscous in it and also nutritional yeast just to give it more flavor and more thickness and more texture. So yeah, all of them turned out pretty well in my opinion. I'm, I guess, not a master chef, and I'm also not like a super foodie, so my palate is not as advanced as I guess a lot of people. I don't know, but yeah, I think it's fine. That's what I made, and if you would like to see me make these, just continue to watch. And yeah, if you like this video, just remember to like, comment, and if you want, subscribe to see more videos, and I will see you next time. Bye. Yeah.
Before you educate the head, try to educate the heart.